Right, here's the two-part total boat foam. Mix it for about 45 seconds or so. You see it starts changing colors. As you're mixing it, you can feel the viscosity start to change a little bit. If you're holding on to the cup, you can feel the cup start to get a little warm as the foam starts its reaction. You see it starting to kick off. So come in here and pour it. We're basically using it as an adhesive today. Just a little bit around the front of these blocks to hold them down. Tack them back down a little bit. You do not want to get this foam on you. It'll just continue to expand. And once this lid is down, when it comes back up, the foam will tear with it. So take and put a couple clamps on to keep this edge aligned while the foam dries. Want the clamp so that the hole doesn't pop while the foam's expanding. Go down here and look what's going on in the cup. See that little dome growing in the bottom? It'll continue to grow. The foam's come up almost halfway in the cup now. A little bit that was left in the bottom is almost doubled in size. We foamed the stern today and got it all clamped up. This we don't like splitting the entire seam all the way around on this boat, but kind of had to on this one to get out the old remnants of a fiberglass spline or some fiberglass cloth that had been put in there that was all failing. So what we wanted to make sure we did when we started putting it back together is make sure the seam is lined up on both sides so that the boat doesn't go back together crooked. So that's why these clamps are on and these clamps are on while we did the aft part. And we'll get back up here to the bow and keep working on that. Spin you around a minute. See how that foam's doing? Foam's 3/4 of the way up in the cup now. So we put in the cypress backer block underneath for the bow handle today. Also put a backer block in for the hide cleat. Sure if we can dip y'all in there and see it or not. So hold on, everybody hold your breath. Don't know if that came out or not. Go check on our foam again. About 7/8 of the way up in the cup, and it's still a little mushy. You can still move it around this a little bit. You're not gonna really change the shape of it at this point. And here's some there's some foam art. That's what you get when it's completely dry. You can see where it expanded all the way out of the top of the cup there. And this is after about 4 hours. Pretty firm. This foam, marine grade's closed cell, so it won't absorb water. And like I say, it makes a pretty good adhesive. So if you want to stick somebody to something, that's the stuff to use right there. So now it looks like this has stopped expanding. We started with about 1/4 of the cup, and it's tripled in size on the way up. So I hope y'all are having a great evening. We'll chat with you later.